Earth spins at nearly 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. Right now, as you watch this, you are moving faster than a jet aircraft. But you don't feel it, because everything around you moves with Earth. The oceans, the atmosphere, the cities, the mountains, and every human being alive. For billions of years, Earth has rotated without stopping. It controls day and night, weather, ocean currents, climate, gravity balance, and life itself. But what if it suddenly stopped? Not slowed down. Not over millions of years. What if Earth completely stopped spinning? What would happen to the oceans? The atmosphere? Human civilization? Would anyone survive? Tonight, we explore the most terrifying planetary disaster imaginable. A world where Earth suddenly stands still. The instant Earth stops spinning, the planet's surface stops. But everything on it keeps moving, including you. At the equator, everything would continue flying eastward at over 1,600 kilometers per hour, faster than the speed of sound. Every person, every car, every building would be violently thrown sideways. The atmosphere would continue moving too. Global winds stronger than any hurricane in history would rip across the planet. Entire cities would vanish within seconds. Forests flattened. Skyscrapers destroyed. Bridges twisted apart. The sudden stop would trigger unimaginable destruction across the entire Earth. And then, the oceans would arrive. Earth's oceans are also moving with the planet. When Earth stops, the water doesn't. The oceans would continue racing across the surface with enormous momentum. The result would be mega tsunamis unlike anything in human history. Entire coastlines would disappear. Cities like New York, Tokyo, London, and Shanghai could be wiped away. Water would surge hundreds of kilometers inland. The geography of Earth itself would begin changing. But even after the oceans settle, the planet would never be the same again. If Earth stopped spinning but continued orbiting the sun, one full day would last an entire year. 6 months of daylight. 6 months of darkness. One side of Earth would burn beneath constant sunlight. Temperatures would become unbearable. Meanwhile, the dark side would freeze. Only a narrow twilight zone between heat and darkness might remain survivable. Global agriculture would collapse. Weather systems would fail. Most ecosystems on Earth would die. Human civilization, if it survived at all, would retreat underground. The world above would become hostile to life itself. In reality, Earth suddenly stopping is almost impossible. The planet contains enormous rotational energy. No known natural force could halt it instantly without destroying Earth itself. But imagining impossible scenarios reveals something important. How fragile our world truly is. Every sunrise, every ocean current, every weather system exists because Earth spins. A silent motion we never feel, yet completely depend on.